Welcome to Tots and Touchdowns. Today, we're exploring the Aventura Hotel. It is a prime value hotel located in the Universal Studios Island of Adventure, Orlando area. From this hotel, you can walk to the water park. You can take a bus to both the parks. It has a self-parking garage. There is no valet, nothing like that. No bellhop comes out and helps you with your luggage. This is the pool. It was pretty plain, pretty simple, but hey, kids are just happy to be outside. As you can see, there's a spot there where they pull down a screen and do movies at night. They have a little kid splash pad, nothing fancy, just some fountains. Also, the majority of the time we were there, our pool was closed. Not sure why. They allow you to resort pool hop here. We went across the street to Sapphire Falls. We use their pool. You just go to their concierge desk. They'll give you a card to allow access, which personally I would be mad at if I was a guest at that hotel, but hey, they let it happen. This is the pool bar area. I received a voucher for a free cocktail. Of course, I got the Punch of Soul. It was the full value of that voucher, so make sure you use it up. This is also where you can refill those resort mugs if you're out by the pool. Did you forget something? I always do. I forgot toothpaste. So they have the Universal Studios store in the main lobby where you can get anything you need. I highly recommend a lanyard. Then across from that is the Starbucks, the only place open for breakfast in the morning. Okay, here we are, room tour. This room comes with 2 queen beds. We are on the 9th floor, room 905. We got some cups here. We got some toilet paper. We have a nice sink with only 2 plugs and no shelving underneath. A nice pocket door for the bathroom. We have a tub shower combo. Ooh, this is actually quite nice. With a few products. Not very many towels though. Not gonna lie. This nice little glass thing in between. There is a full-length mirror at the entrance, which I thought was nice. Right here, everyone loves a good outfit look. So in here, we got a closet, extra blanket, ironing board, luggage holder. We have a safe. It's actually quite large, which, you know, oh, this is like a big one. It's good arm's length, okay. We have Cuisinart coffee right here. Ice bucket and a fridge that can hold, let me see how much. Not too much. Ooh, we have a dual trash can. I'm not sure what this is. Looks like a speaker. That plays something. 2 plugs here with the USBs. A nice little chair. Here are the beds. Here's this guy getting comfy. So these are 2 queen beds. These seem small. These do not seem like queen size. What I like is this nice spot here, because this is where I'm going to put our luggage. I don't like it being on the floor. Drawer. Oh, wait, what? How do I open it? Oh, from the top. Okay, so then there's 3 drawers, and they're clean inside. And then TV, not too big, not too small. A little chair over here. And then they have, is this a fan or a light? They have 2 plugs over here with more USB ports. Oh, there we go, lights. I'm gonna guess the Bible. Oh no, Universal. For shame. No, oh no, that's it, okay. And this I think is how you control everything. So like, you can do like food and beverage, and you could order, I think I could order pizza from here and then go pick it up. Room controls on here, like the temperature, I like it a good 68. Low, oh, so that's gonna move it. Is that how you move it? That's good, that's good, that's good. We're good, yeah, 69, okay, there. Oh, TV. Oh, you can choose, this is nice. Prime, they got internet, what else they have? Oh, they have the weather for the next day. Pretty much it's this phone. Ooh, request items. Let's request some, I think we're gonna need no towels, and we need, I actually have shampoo and stuff. But look, you can request more trash bags, a TV remote, that's random. Ooh, coffee paper cups, face towels, this is nice. Yeah, tells you about the resort. Okay, usually there's a Bible, yeah. And then here is our view. We have a little bit of pool. We just had a basic view, so we actually got a nice one. So see here, here's the highway, there's the 4. So not bad. So far, so good. And the pool, I believe, is open every night till 10. So we got here early, we used it. This here is the bus stop for the resort where they'll take you to City Walk. And as you can see, there's a water park right there. So far, so good. Okay, so I thought I'd do a quick, we left at 3 a.m. this morning from Charlotte, North Carolina. We got here pretty early. Already I can tell the differences from Disney, and I'm gonna constantly compare because that's what I do. Their app's very confusing. So when you check in, they gave us room keys that get you in the pool. And then you have to go and get your park tickets. They give you like a paper one, so you definitely need a lanyard. Then we were waiting for this text the whole time, and finally I text them at 4:15 and was like, what is happening? And Bodhi, how do you make this a little quiet? And then they're like, oh, whoops, your room has been ready. So then I had to go back and exchange the keys. So that was weird. The resort cups, pretty expensive. It cost me $46, $47, and they're only good for the 4 days we're here. There's only one pattern, so I couldn't choose. Front desk was really nice. We got complimentary, I got a drink voucher since everybody gets, and I got 2 $10 Starbucks ones. Food choices weren't much. Pizza's not open yet. And the sushi, they didn't have the kind we wanted. So we're gonna do all that for dinner. So far, so good. Tomorrow we're hitting up the parks. We're liking it. This room's really nice and cool. So I'm trying, I'm a Disney person, yes, but I'm trying to broaden my horizons, and so far it's been good. You know, like just little things you can tell the difference in, so we'll see. So stay tuned. Okay, so I thought I'd talk about the food options here at the Aventura Hotel. In the lobby area, there's a food court area called Urban Pantry. It had a sushi section, a pizza section, like another place that had like chicken, and then a grab and go. And then another area that looked closed. The sushi area makes wok bowls as well. They're $18. They have a kids one, I think, for $10.50. They had sushi. My son likes California roll, but you couldn't order that. They had, like, they only had pre-made. They had a Philly roll, a spicy tuna, and dragon roll, so we couldn't buy any of the sushi. So lunch, we were they only had grab and go for lunch because pizza doesn't start till 4, and neither does the other thing. So I'm confused at how it's gonna work, but there's liquor down there. There's 2 bars, the pool bar and the main lobby bar, and then the 17th floor, they have another place that's like a rooftop patio restaurant. So we're gonna try that eventually, but so far, like, the food options aren't that, like, great. All I know the food is, the wok bowl looked good, but they had to make it fresh. Like, there's no sit down, there's no mobile ordering, there's no doing it ahead of time, there's none of that. So the pizza looks good, but yeah, just be aware that there's only grab and go for lunch and pre-made sushi, so. Okay, so this is the wok bowl. I got this for $18. I got to choose if I wanted noodles or rice. I chose my protein, my vegetables, what sauce I wanted. So here it is, we got to go, and then here is the pizza, which I believe is $16 for a big one. My kid's pizza with a drink was $9, so that would have been $18, but we already got the mug. So, you know, nothing crazy, but this looks good. At least it's like vegetables of some sort.
And that concludes this short little vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Tots and Touchdowns on Instagram. Have a good one.